Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how I've live streamed on X, on Abstract, and how I use this professional tool to reach the same level of quality as other influencers like CryptoLeon, Marianne, because they're using this exact same tool as well. So yeah, if you stay until the end of this video, you will discover the exact step, the exact setup that I use as well. Alright. So this is a stream that I did for one of the projects, and as you can see, it's very professionally done. There's a chat box on the right hand side here. That's me, and this is three of my guests. All right, and this is my title. Right, so this is the title of the space. Will creators replace them or supercharge them? Right, will AI replace creators or supercharge them? So we actually use this tool called Restream.io. Okay, Restream.io. Now, after you've created a free account, you will come into this studio. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up the studio. Okay, the first that you need to know is setting up your scenes. All right, every professional show, every professional stream comes with a countdown timer. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on add scene, and click on countdown timer. All right, so you can click on countdown timer, and then you can select, for example, which time, how long you want the countdown timer to be. So let's just say it's 5 minutes, right? And then people also usually play some music during the countdown, right? So you can upload your own music here that you can use for your own countdown. Okay, so now after the countdown, you will go into the main event. All right, so let's set up the main event screen, how I want it to look like. All right, so I'll just click here, and as you can see, the chat box is here, right? So I can either open or close my chat box by clicking overlay here, right? So if I want the chat box, I can click here. If I don't want it, I can turn it off. But usually I think turning it on is better, right? The next thing that I'm going to put here is the caption, right? So what is this stream about, right? Is this a mukbang with Oppa stream? Or, hey, we are giving out 3 OG spots for this project, right? So is setting up the title, and this is how you set it up. All right, now the next thing that you need to know is how to invite guests to join your stream. All right, so the way to invite guests to join your stream is by clicking this plus button over here, and then what you can do is you can just copy this invite link and send it to your guests and tell them, bro, please join 10 minutes before the stream starts, because we're going to do a mic test, we're going to do a camera test, make sure the lighting, the audio, everything is okay, and then we will start. All right, so they don't need to create an account, they don't need to install anything, they just need to click on this link, open it in their browser, and everything will load just fine. So this is by far the easiest way I've ever used to invite the guests. All right, so when the guests come up, you can press these different layouts, right? So depending on how you want the screen to fill, you can click on these different layouts. And if you need to present your stream, right? So let's just say if you're gaming, right? So what do you do if you're gaming, right? So if you're gaming, what you need to do is you can click on media here, and then, for example, you can show your screen, right? So let's just say if I'm just like streaming, like let's just say like my YouTube video, right? But you can be sharing your gaming screen, so you can be sharing your gaming screen, and then boom, see, it's automatically here, right? So you can adjust this accordingly. If you want it to be larger, smaller, right? You can like customize the scale of this, right? And yeah, this is how you share your gameplay as it goes along, right? So you can also move things around, right? I can have my face bigger, I can have side by side, I can have like this, right? It's totally up to you how you want to share your screen. All right, so I'm also gonna go towards the right hand side and show you guys what are the tools here that we can use. All right, so we can use this tool, we can use, for example, like we can even add our own logo, we can change the font. And what's important here is actually learning how to change the background. So I've actually changed my background to like, for example, this is like the Pudgy Malaysia background, or this is the abstract background. All right, so this is how I changed the background. And then the captions I've showed you guys earlier, right? So if you guys want this to be like a TV show, all right, you can run a ticker, right? So a ticker is a live thing that will always move. And then you want to say, all right, this is the name of the show, so this is the mukbang feed Paji Malaysia. All right, so this is how you add the ticker. And if you're doing a stream, you can ask for donations as well. So you can put a QR code on top and say, hey guys, feel free to donate here. And yeah, this is how you do it. And then you can do a support the stream. And then yeah, you can add your own music. And yeah, you can determine if you want to show the chat or not. Usually I will show the chat. All right, so after all of this is set up, what you need to do is you need to go into the channel, right? And then you need to connect your X. All right, so this is the X that you need to connect. All right, so you need to connect your X. You need to make sure that you have your X connected, and then when you go live, it will go live on X, right? So you can go live on Twitch, on Facebook, on YouTube as well at the same time, right? So when Abstract comes out, right, all you have to do is click on Add Channels, and you click on Custom RMTP here, right? So add your display name, RMTP URL, stream key, Add Channel, right? So when the Abstract portal is out, you can paste the stream key here, and then you can stream on Abstract, right? And then the next thing that the second last thing that you need to do is you need to schedule your stream. Alright, so if I click schedule my stream here, I can change the title. So this is the exact title that people will see on your Twitter, right? So on your Twitter, this is the title that they will see, and what's the description, and what's the time. Alright, so you can pre-schedule the event. So after you schedule the event, then the final step is to press go live. All right, so there you have it, how to set up the entire streaming system in just 7 minutes. All right, so like, comment, and share with your friends if you enjoyed this video. This is Opa. Peace out.